viewers, Assalamu alaikum. This is your Coach Muhammad Akbar Hossain from Clearwater, Florida. So the city name is Clearwater. So after coming to Clearwater, one thing came to my mind, a comparison between mind and water. When water is turbulent, that means water is flowing, water is kind of restless. At the time it is really hard to understand and it is really hard to see clearly. But when the water is calm, you can see clearly, you can see it through. So our mind is like this. When our mind is restless, our mind is overwhelmed, our mind is not working. At the time it is really hard to see the things through, and others also have hard times to see, to understand our mind. When the mind is calm, you can see it through and you can see the things very clearly. So keep your mind cool, keep your mind calm so that you can be a great leader and you can keep learning and you can have a clear mind to welcome all the great ideas inside your mind. Thank you so very much. This is your coach Muhammad Akbar Hossain from Clearwater, Florida. Thank you.